Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make salad lettuce dressing. Start with the core components of any great dressing. I'll explain how to balance oil and acid, which are the foundation. We'll look at common oils and acids, like extra virgin olive oil and various vinegars, to get you started. This first step is crucial for a flavorful base. Now let's elevate the taste. We'll explore how aromatics like garlic or finely chopped shallots can add a wonderful kick. Fresh or dried herbs from dill to oregano bring another layer of complexity. A touch of sweetness, perhaps honey or maple syrup, can perfectly balance the acidity. Getting the right texture is key for a dressing that coats your lettuce beautifully. I'll show you how to emulsify your ingredients by whisking them well, creating a creamy consistency. For an even smoother result, a blender can be very effective. If it's too thick, a small amount of water can thin it out. Once your delicious dressing is made, proper storage is important. Keep it in an airtight container in the refrigerator, where it will stay fresh for about 5 days. Don't be afraid to get creative. Try different oils, vinegars, and spices to invent your own signature dressings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.